Most guys never realize that the loud, obvious moves they think will make her jealous actually do the opposite. Posting selfies with other women, uploading cryptic quotes, making sure she sees you looking happy without her, it all reeks of trying. Too hard? It's transparent. And when a woman sees you trying that hard, she knows exactly what you're doing. She knows you want a reaction. And nothing kills the spark faster than a man who looks like he's performing for her attention instead of living for himself. Real jealousy doesn't live in the obvious. It grows in the silent gaps she can't fill with certainty. It lives in that subtle shift she can't quite explain, but definitely feels in her chest late at night, when she's scrolling through old photos and wondering if you're still the same man who once answered her in 5 seconds flat. It's not about punishing her or making her feel small. It's about reclaiming the energy you used to pour into her and pouring it straight back into yourself. It's about becoming so deeply anchored in your own world again that she can sense your presence even when you're not around, because your absence has weight now. You're still polite, still kind, still warm when you show up, but you don't show up like clockwork anymore. You don't rush to reply when your phone buzzes. You're not staring at her stories, counting the minutes until she notices you watch them. Instead, you're busy building your body, your mind, your circle. You're not pretending to be unavailable. You genuinely are. That truth does what fake indifference never could. It reaches under her skin. It whispers questions into her mind. She can't quiet down. Where is he? Who is he with? Does he even think about me anymore? And that's where real jealousy is born, in the empty space. Where your energy used to live, asterisk attention is the currency most men waste without realizing its value. Pouring it out like water into hands that never bothered to earn it. Handed over freely, checking her stories the moment she posts, liking every selfie, reacting to every status, dropping comments you hope she sees, might enjoy it in the moment, but she doesn't value it. Why would she? It's always there, always available, like background noise she's gotten used to. She never has to wonder if you're watching because you always are, and in that certainty, a woman feels a comfort that slowly turns into boredom, safety that kills the spark. But the moment your attention becomes something she has to earn, the moment it slips from her daily supply, it becomes rare. It becomes a question in her mind rather than an answer, and that question begins to circle in her thoughts at night. When she's alone, when she's checking who viewed her stories and notices your name isn't there anymore, when she sends a meme and you don't react within seconds, when you see her message and don't immediately double text with an eager follow-up. That's when the jealousy begins. Not because she's petty, but because she feels your attention drifting from her orbit, and she doesn't know why. Women are deeply attuned to where a man's focus flows, and when your focus leaves, it creates an emotional vacuum she will want to fill. She'll start to wonder if there's someone else. If your silence means you're outliving your life without needing to share it with her, if your energy is now being invested in places she can't see or control, it's this uncertainty, this subtle ambiguity, that triggers her competitive instinct and makes her start to chase the validation she once took for granted. Asterisk, you have to understand that this shift isn't about punishing her or trying to manipulate her feelings to get her to come crawling back. It's about genuinely evolving into a man who no longer needs to prove his worth to her or to anyone else. It's about stepping back into your own frame where your mission, your health, your mind, and your peace come first, and letting that reality guide your actions instead of chasing her reactions. You stop explaining yourself. You stop announcing your moves, and you stop trying to reassure her every time she seems distant. You're no longer the man who drops everything to answer her calls at midnight, who writes out long paragraphs to fix every misunderstanding, who sends multiple messages just to keep her attention, who constantly checks in to see if she's okay so she won't lose interest. You start to understand that every time you break your focus for her, you lose a piece of yourself, and she feels that loss of self-respect even if she can't describe it. She notices when your energy is too available, when your responses are instant, when your eagerness leaks through your words. And even if she's sweet in return, she feels no urgency to value what comes too easily. But when you become a man who responds on his own time, who doesn't feel the need to prove anything, who can take a day to respond if he's focused on work, who doesn't rush to comfort her every emotional wobble. You become unreadable, and unreadable is irresistible because it creates curiosity, and curiosity leads to desire. She starts analyzing your silences, replaying your last conversation, rereading your last message, trying to find hidden meanings. She starts to question if you're still interested, if someone else is capturing your attention, if she's losing her place in your world. That doubt is where jealousy begins, and it's the type of jealousy rooted not in insecurity, but in the realization that your energy has value and she is no longer the center of it without effort. Asterisk. The beauty of this shift is that it requires no announcement, no confrontation, no drama, and no posts begging for attention. It is a quiet, powerful return to yourself that naturally creates magnetism without effort, because your energy is no longer leaking everywhere it is not appreciated. You start to notice how your mind feels clearer when you're not waiting on her texts, how your workouts become deeper when you're not checking your phone between sets hoping she replied, how your work becomes sharper when you're not checking if she watched your story, how your mornings feel calmer when you're not waking up to check if she was online late last night. The moment you pour that attention back into yourself, you glow differently, you walk differently, you speak with a calm certainty that people notice, not just her. This energy becomes attractive to everyone, and you start to see that the more you pull your attention inward, the more people are drawn to you without you having to force it. She starts noticing it too, but she won't say it outright. Instead, she'll send a random hey just to check if she still has access. She'll post a photo she knows you'd like, hoping you'll react. She'll mention an inside joke, trying to pull you back into the old comfort. This is the exact point where most men fail. They get excited that she's reaching out and immediately break the silence, flooding her with attention again, praising her, validating her, rushing to respond just to keep the moment going, thinking they won. But the man who understands his value, who understands the power of this silent shift, holds steady. He doesn't punish her, doesn't ignore her, but he doesn't abandon his pace for her either. He responds on his time with calm energy and doesn't let the old patterns take over again. Because once you rush back to give her all your attention, the spell breaks. She feels the power dynamic reset, and she feels safe again, but not in the way that keeps attraction alive. The discipline to maintain this shift, to continue to prioritize your life while allowing her to re-engage on your terms, is what transforms you into the man who is truly rare in her eyes. Asterisk, this shift doesn't just create jealousy for a moment. It repositions you as the man she respects, the man she quietly thinks about when she's lying in bed, the man she feels a pull toward without understanding why it feels different this time. You are no longer the man she can read like a book, no longer the man she can predict, and that unpredictability becomes the new source of her attraction. She starts to realize that she doesn't get access to your attention just by showing up. She has to show up in a way that aligns with your standards, your boundaries, your new pace. She has to match the energy you have created by pouring into yourself, because you are no longer giving it away without thought. She feels the absence of your instant reassurance, and in that absence, she begins to reflect on what she brought to the table. She starts to think about how she used to take your attention for granted, how she used to scroll past your messages because she knew you would keep trying, how she used to test you to see if you would chase, and now there is a quiet fear that maybe you won't chase anymore. That fear is not rooted in cruelty, but in the natural consequence of you evolving beyond the version of yourself that was too available. You notice her messages become softer, more intentional, more respectful. She starts to ask about your day, about your plans, testing if she still has a place in your world. She starts showing more warmth because she can sense you are no longer emotionally hungry, that you are now the man others will notice, the man she might lose if she doesn't value him correctly. It's in this moment you must remember that. The man she is now attracted to is the man who doesn't abandon himself for her validation, the man who holds his frame, the man who keeps his energy as a privilege, not a free gift. You don't need to say a word about this change because your actions and your calm, unhurried responses speak for you. This is how you maintain the respect and attraction that will last, by living as a man who values himself first, letting her feel the gravity of that without you ever needing to explain it.